Alright, y'all. I'm just going to do a little small garden update. My personal garden, anyways. Most of my content has been going into other gardens that I'm installing right now. But, anywho, in this area right here is eventually where I will be doing the corn. So, I'll be doing it in rows. Right? Then I've got all the flowers along the fence line, all different types. I'll go over all that later. I just want to give you guys a quick little glance. And right here, where the corn's going to be actually, I'm going to do the Three Sisters planting method again. So corn, squash, and then beans will be growing up the corn, once they get tall enough. Big old thing of yarrow right here. Beautiful. Oh, sorry, Mr. Ladybug. So I got a bunch of flowers this year, guys. Like, that's one of my goals, is to just flower it up, So, got the nasturtiums. I finally put some comfrey in ground, and yes, that's true comfrey, so it produces seeds. And then right here, you got my banana, red banana, which I know it looks a little janky, but it's actually really, really healthy. So, it was windy, so stuff happens. Right in the back right here is just basically, and I'm not talking about the nasturtiums, guys, that's these, the yellow ones, but back here, I know it's hard to see, but it's just like basically along the fence line, you do have some natives, so things that just naturally grow out here, foxglove, alyssum, all sorts of things, Again, more flowers, that's what I'm going for. Right here is a bed I just took all the red vein sorrel out of, and I'm just planting stuff that, I have left over. I will be planting. I haven't really came up with a plan for this yet, but it's a long season, so. But I'm focused on other things. Again, bunch of natives. Got a bunch of borage. I didn't plant any of this borage. It just, self-pollinated. Same with this alyssum, except for this one. I did plant that one. And then, of course, along the fence line right here, you got the fig tree going. Some native flowers. I forgot the name of them. Some seedlings I got coming up. Peppers. Some sweet potatoes. More alyssum. It's just the purple variety. Got some cleaver right here popping up. Another native. People usually consider a weed. Outside there, I got the pink pineapples. I'll show you guys those a little later on. Something that went to seed, Nebraska that went to seed, so produces flowers, so let it go to seed. This corner is kind of like my citrus corner. Don't judge me, I know my citrus isn't looking that good, but again, I got a lot of things going. Some chamomile. Got some mullein over here. My blueberries they're going, they're doing their thing. It's the O'Neill variety. Ooh, no, not yet, but I do have to get a net, so that way because the birds keep getting me, guys. they get me. And in between there, just to help pollination, I got a big old thing of borage right here. This whole plant's edible. I like to take these flowers right here, the blue flowers, and freeze them in my ice cubes. It makes them have, it gives them like a cucumber taste. I like it. This is my pink lemonade blueberries, which there are some on here. They're coming along. These ones usually bloom a little later than these ones, so that's exactly what's going on. These ones started blooming before, and these ones will start blooming afterwards. More borage, a lot of borage, y'all. Alyssum, borage again. And then in this bed, I'm gonna leave most of this here, just cause it's a beautiful native, so I don't want to pull them up. I'll try to do some things in between, but if not, it is what it is. Beautiful. Look at that lavender. Insane. And it smells. Oh, I wish you guys could smell it. Anyways, this is what I'm really focusing my time on, is the tomatoes for right now. I got about, I think, 16 different varieties going this year. I think like last year, but kind of the same ones. There's some new ones in there. But anyways, you guys know what it is. I like to grow my tomatoes and cucumbers and things like that vertically. Save space, and if you know how to prune your plants properly, and if assuming they're indeterminate tomatoes, then you will definitely increase your production. Absolutely, no doubt about it. So again, this side, because I have 2 of these trellises that I've built out of EMT conduit and some connectors at the corners or whatnot. So again, you guys know what's up. The tomatoes are going to grow up here. But one thing I'm definitely hyped about is the new system that I have them trellised on. Is these little, I'm used to the tomahawks, but these ones are more versatile because they, wish I can kind of show you guys, but I don't have my tripod right now. But anyways, I'll give you guys an example later on. But these are basically what they use in to grow tomatoes in the greenhouses. Again, I'll show you guys exactly what it does a little later on. But this is, to me, this is a game changer if you grow anything vertically, to be perfectly honest. But anywho, yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. I'm getting ready to clip all the tomatoes I got going. I got a bunch right here. These are all the beefsteaks. So this side's are all 8 of these tomato plants are going to be the beefsteaks, different varieties of beefsteak. So they're absolutely coming along, that's for sure. I just put them on the ground not that long ago. Got some starters over here too. But after I finish this side, then I will have to hop over to this side and do my cherry tomatoes, right? And some more lavender right here. And so this is the bed that my cherry tomatoes are gonna, go in. The only problem is, elephant in the room, is this beautiful plant right here. Yeah, it's just basically, so this is mint, y'all. I did a couple videos a little bit back about it. I don't know if I posted it, but anywho, this little mint, because I didn't plant this. This did it itself. This is a variety of mint called apple mint, and it kind of has like an green apple sort of aftertaste. It's delicious, to be honest. It's one of my favorite mints in the world. But one of the things that a lot of gardeners know, the knowledge, is that you don't ever plant mint in a bed, because it will take over, and then it's exactly what it did. Because I promise you guys, this big thing right here, just for reference, I could put my hand all up in there.